Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to meet you again. Now I want to read a narrative text. Have you ever heard story about kancil, buffalo, and crocodile? I think that is a very interesting story. Listen to me carefully, ya. I will read a story calmly. Once upon a time, there was a buffalo walking on the edge of the lake. The buffalo saw a crocodile crushed by a branch of wood. The crocodile shouted for help and pain because of being hit by a large branch. Pada suatu hari, ada seekor kerbau berjalan di tepi danau. Kerbau melihat buaya tertimpa cabang kayu. Buaya itu berteriak minta tolong. Dia kesakitan karena tertimpa cabang kayu yang besar. Buffalo felt sad because of it and decided to help the crocodile. And crocodile promised that he won't eat buffalo. Kerbau merasa sedih karenanya dan memutuskan untuk membantu buaya. Dan buaya berjanji bahwa dia tidak akan memakan kerbau. But after helping the crocodile even beat one of the legs of the buffalo, and the buffalo shouted for help from another animal. Tetapi setelah membantu buaya, buaya malah menggigit salah satu kaki kerbau dan kerbau berteriak minta tolong dari hewan lain. Kancil that was at the way to go to the lake heard the buffalo's voice. Kancil ran quickly to see what had happened to the buffalo. Kancil yang pada waktu itu berada di jalan menuju danau mendengar suara kerbau. Kancil pun berlari cepat untuk melihat apa yang sedang terjadi pada kerbau. Arriving near the lake, Kancil saw buffalo and crocodile, and then Kancil asked what happened. The buffalo replied, "The crocodile beat me after I helped get rid of the wooden branch that hit his neck." Sesampainya di dekat danau, Kancil melihat kerbau dan buaya. Lalu Kancil bertanya, "Apa yang terjadi?" Kerbau itu menjawab, "Buaya menggigitku setelah aku membantu menyingkirkan cabang-cabang kayu yang mengenai lehernya." The crocodile also said, "No, I'm hungry and you are in my territory, therefore I bite you." Buaya berkata, "Tidak, aku lapar dan kamu berada di wilayahku. Oleh karena itu, aku menggigitmu." Poor buffalo, Kancil said to the buffalo, "There is no way you have helped the crocodile from the branch of the wood, so the crocodile has the right to bite you." Kerbau yang malang. Kancil berkata kepada si kerbau, "Tidak mungkin kamu telah membantu buaya dari cabang kayu. Jadi buaya berhak dong menggigitmu." Buffalo said, "I'm not lying. I can prove it." Kancil said, "I don't trust you, Buffalo, but you may prove your words. But before that, the crocodile must release the bite." "Okay," the crocodile answered. "Okay, but after that I will eat the buffalo." Kancil said, "Okay, agree." Buaya berkata, "Aku tidak bohong, aku bisa membuktikannya." Kancil berkata, "Aku tidak percaya kepadamu, kerbau, tetapi kamu bisa membuktikan kata-katamu. Tapi sebelum itu buaya harus melepaskan gigitannya, oke?" Buaya itu menjawab, "Baiklah." Tapi setelah itu aku akan memakan kerbau. Kancil berkata, "Oke, setuju." The buffalo put a big branch on the neck of crocodile. After that, suddenly Kancil said, "Run, buffalo, let's run fast." Kancil and kerbau ran away, and the crocodile realized that he had just been fooled by the Kancil and the buffalo. Kerbau meletakkan dahan besar pada leher buaya. Setelah itu, tiba-tiba Kancil berkata, "Lari kerbau, ayo lari cepat." Kancil dan kerbau melarikan diri dan buaya menyadari bahwa dia baru saja dibodohi oleh Kancil dan kerbau. Yeah, that's all a story about Kancil, buffalo, and crocodile. I hope we can take a moral message from the story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.